Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to add a Chase credit card to your Apple Pay wallet using the Chase mobile app. To get started, open the Chase mobile app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the credit card you want to add to Apple Pay. For example, you might select a card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred. After opening the credit card details, scroll down until you see the Manage Account section, which is usually located above the Transaction section. Tap on Manage Account to continue. Next, look for the option labeled Digital Wallets and select it. From there, tap on the Apple Pay icon. You'll see a list of eligible credit cards that can be added to Apple Pay. Keep in mind that not all cards may appear on this screen, even if you have multiple Chase credit cards. Find the credit card you want to add and tap the Add to Apple Pay link next to it. The app will automatically send your card information to the Apple Wallet app. Review the details, then tap Next and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once the process is finished, your Chase credit card will be added to Apple Pay and ready to use for contactless payments. That's it for this video. If this tutorial helped you add a Chase credit card to Apple Pay, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.